Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno No Say, and one and only Atafa the Press. Well, the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, has selected Winston Dunny, Vice Principal of Paul Bogle High School, as its representative in the Morant Bay Division in St. Thomas Municipal Corporation. Una hear that, my wisdom warriors? The JLP, which is the Jamaica Labour Party, has selected Winston Dunny, Vice Principal of Paul Bogle High School, as its representative in the Morant Bay Division in the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation. The announcement was made by JLP Area Council 2 Chairman Everald Warmington at the South St. Catherine Constituency Conference in Portmore on Sunday. So my wisdom warriors know them new representative is Winston Dunny. So me just make everybody know what is going on right now. You understand? Because listen, from when the people them are wait for by election and Andrew Holness does a drag it in, I don't know, but it has come to my attention, my wisdom warriors. I don't know how true it is, but it has come to my attention. Let me just say alleged, because I'm not sure about this one. I hear me ear. So me ear say Veronica Campbell I go run for Trelawney. Only hear what me say? Veronica Campbell, the girl who used to run for Jamaica, my wisdom warriors, me hear say she I go take over Marissa Dalrymple Philibert position. So let's see. I don't know how true it is. I hear me ear. I don't know, so from me ear the people them business, I have to come drop it for uno. Alright? That. Taking this. The government is promising heightening security around its road repair programs in troubled communities to combat extortion by hoodlums targeting contractors. This after repair work on a section of the Mandela Highway in St. Catherine was aborted last week when thugs attempted to extort money from the contractor. My wisdom warriors, for telling you the truth, I don't believe it. Really and truly, I don't believe it. Because how after Andrew Holness announced it, then it happened. I just don't believe it. I don't believe it. I think this, my wisdom warriors, what them are come up with, it is a plan. Remember, so them are going to do the Sparks program. So them are plan to have them police. Oh, listen, my wisdom warriors, want to see the Jamaica Labour Party? Let me tell you, no man. They're very strategic. On the probably think, I don't wonder what me I talk about. But them have them plans. You understand? Them have them plans, my wisdom warriors. I don't believe this crap. I don't believe this. Because for them contractor, where them are, listen, my wisdom warriors. I see for them contractor, all of them are labor right. The whole of them are labor right. And people we are going to work, this are only labor right. Labor right no make PNP work with them. Let me tell you that. Labor right only choose labor right alone. So I don't believe this crap. Me feel say something of them are come up with my wisdom warriors. So when they start them rehabilitation road program and then Sparks program or whatever, them are going to have them police and stand by my wisdom warriors. So nobody can know what really are going on. Only labor right I go know. Listen to me. I don't believe all this rubbish about extortion. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. You hear me? I don't know if you believe it, But let me tell you something. I do not believe it. Because when you see them start to come up with all these rubbish, you soon start hear them talk about clangs, man. Because that's all them do. That's all them do. Come on. Remember, them say one order for labor right. So them say. Yeah, and then say clangsman of a PNP. So them say my wisdom warriors. Yeah, you ever hear say one other man get locked up or one other man get shot or something like that? You ever hear Andrew Holness come out? You just dissect that. You ever hear everybody will get locked up? Clangs. Why is that? Read between the lines, Jamaica. Focus, Jamaica. That's all me I tell you now. Focus. You understand me? We have to focus. Because you don't know this Jamaica Labour Party. It's a very dangerous party, my wisdom warriors. Certain things I want to say, but I cannot say it. You understand? Me have to just loud that out. But this extortion thing what them a talk about, I don't believe it. It is a lie. I think it's a plan. Them a plan ahead. Wanna hear me? Them a plan ahead. But anyway, you don't have to agree with me, you know. You tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. My wisdom warriors. So the Observer put this out. Because when I go start compare the Observer and the Gleaner. Show no things. And I go start put out nationwide and the Gleaner. And I go start put everything together and show no say. Not no way them put out, Gleaner no put out. You understand? Anything with them put out, Gleaner put out the same thing. But one thing with Gleaner, them go in more depth. Them talk more truth. Which them, the other media, them don't do it. But anyhow, let's just get into this. In a defiant and fiery speech at the public session of the Jamaica Labour Party, this is the Observer, yeah? JLP Area Council 2 Conference on Sunday at Hart Academy in Portmore, St. Catherine. Member of Parliament for St. Catherine, Southwestern Everald Warmington, again took a shot at the media and insisted he will not be silenced. This is an Observer. Observer go on like say, them is goody cool shoes. Observer. Remember, say Observer was the one who come out and talk about a 5 thief in a PNP, you know. When nothing no go so, you know. This is the same very Observer, you know. You see how them run and come put out this, but Everald Warmington took a shot again at the media. Like them, I know the media, my wisdom warriors. You know, so when me I try show, you know. You know, so when me I try show, you my wisdom warriors. Yeah? So these people now, like them, like, really and truly, as I said before, everything what Observer put out, everything what Nationwide TVJ put out, Gleaner put out the same thing. Gleaner no put out nothing different. You understand me? You see like how them write it in depth and say, Everald Warmington take a shot again and stuff like that. If a Gleaner write it like that, you know, a problem, you know? A problem. But me want to know Jamaica for remember say, Matthew Samuda, the MP, Matthew Samuda, wife, run Observer. I want to know that. She's the deputy managing director of Observer. I want to know that Jamaica. You understand? I just want to know, you know. I remember say nationwide and the whole of them are labor right. You understand me? So I want to look into things. You get me? I want to look into things. So I just show no bits and pieces. So you see your Observer come out and say, oh, then take a shot. Yeah, at the media. We all know say a Gleaner them attack. And what Everald Warmington is doing, him just a set on the supporters. Yeah. For me, my wisdom warriors, my belief, them a set on the supporters for attack the Gleaner reporter physically. I mean, not talk with the water in my mouth. That is what Everald Warmington is doing. And Everald Warmington forget fire underneath in Ross. Everald Warmington must go. I told Jamaican people a joke. You hear me? I told Jamaican people out here a joke. That's why Holness can trample upon whistle. Because me don't get to know, brother. Me don't get to know. All of them suck me. There's no democracy in Jamaica. Me can't see it. And then you have Holness come out and telling Jamaica Labour Party. He not say, tell the Jamaicans, you know, him a telling Labour right them for defend. What kind of defend? Defend what? How them a go defend? How them a go defend the press? Me want to know how. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. Prime Minister and Jamaica Labour Party JLP leader Andrew Holness has called on his supporters to commit themselves to protecting freedom of the press. What kind of Prime Minister is this? Calling on the Jamaica Labour Party, the Labour rights. Ain't you the Prime Minister for PNP and Jamaica Labour Party? I want to dissect this in Jamaica. So when you hear me come out and say Jamaica Labour Party is very dangerous, I want to take telling, I want to listen, my wisdom warriors. You hear what me say? How can a Prime Minister coming out and only telling their labor right people alone, like PNP is not a part of the country? He is a one-sided Prime Minister. This is why I say he must resign. And I call upon the Jamaican people daily. Every day I out here and I ask you, go out. I beg you, go out and protest. But everybody is just sitting down. You understand? I don't know why. Some people say they're afraid. But everybody sit down and now make a move. But you know what? You better understand for something. You better understand for something, Jamaica, rather than stand up for nothing at all. You hear me? Because the stand wanna stand up for children, future. Una set away, una pay for part for una pitney. Come on, Jamaica. This is why me call up on you all the time, but nobody no listen to me. But guess what? Walla we are Jamaica not go get frig just because of the stupidity of the labor rights supporters. And them are gonna make you roll away fall. The support. Remember, you know, and it go cause a big revolution in a Jamaica because of these stupid labor rights supporters that don't know them head from them rotted old foot. How can a prime minister coming out and is saying JLP leader Andrew Holness has called on his supporters to commit themselves, to commit themselves to protecting freedom of the press. The gleaner. So what that mean? My wisdom warriors, all of them suck me as a code thing. And me I telling you, say, why? Me no know, you know. Me no know. I don't know what else to say. I see Mark Golding stand up and he's doing a lot. He might do everything. And me telling you, say, from the soon lead, on a rise. But no, nobody not listening. I have some people come over here and talk about me across Jamaica. Una idiot? Una idiot? Una can't hear me talk and I defend the people of Jamaica. Una come chat about me across Jamaica. Sometimes una have sense, brother. Sometimes una have sense. More while me go be like this. Because me not see nobody a step out. So of course me go tell you no off. But when you come and contact about me, or come contact about me across Jamaica, brother, you too friggin' die-hearted. And me I talk to the PNP one them were die-hearted. You stop it, brother. This is why Jamaica will never rise up. Jamaica we are always down. Because of una mindset. Just because of una mindset. Una have to change the way una think. We have to, Jamaica. We have to change the way we think. Else, that's it for we. The Prime Minister says the JLP must at all times defend this important element of Jamaica's democracy. Mr. Holness urges supporters to counteract messages they deem negative in the media with their own positive news rather than attacking the source of the information. My wisdom warriors, let me tell you something. A pure lie Andrew Holness administration out here tell. Pure lie. Pure propaganda. Pure propaganda them spread. And a lot of time when you hear Andrew Holness come out and say, we're going to do this, 1 billion for that, we're going to fix that. Lie. Lie, my wisdom warriors. Andrew Holness come out and plan how to give the students, them, the university students, them money and help them. Lie, it was a lie, you know, give them nothing. So you can't just go off of what Andrew Holness say. Andrew Holness is the Prime Minister and he can't say anything at all. But are you guys following up what he's doing? Only the corporation is uplifting in Jamaica. Only the rich get richer in Jamaica. Only the corporation business is getting richer. What about our Jamaican people? What about our trying people? Our small business owner? What about them? They not get no upliftment. The least little thing. Look other day what happened. The police them, I tell the small business owner them to lock them business. But yet you have the big store owner them business still open. I'm not going like say on love poor people. Hey, me telling you all on for dash water upon the Jamaica Labour Party MP when they come round. Dash dirty water upon them, my wisdom warriors. The same dirty water where they have, I come through the tap, I come through the pipe, and that the water they want to catch as you see them I come dash water upon them. Because them is no help to you guys. Because when you want help, when you want support, you can't see none of them and you know that. You know that. When I see the labor right, them get up on a rail up. It pain me, my wisdom warriors. Me have to talk short. It pain me. Because it reach on a level where my sister in a 2024, they really done for true. You understand? Even though me always say them dance, me did a wish somewhere down in my heart, you know. In the left side, them my wisdom warriors. Me did a wish say them really so dance. But me really say the frig of them, hey, I want to say some things, you see. I want to say some things, my wisdom warriors, but me have to just hold it. Anyway, all I have to say, Andrew Holness must resign. Andrew Holness must resign. Andrew Holness, he's not credible, my wisdom warriors. Andrew Holness is under ongoing investigation. I think so we are going to forget about that. You're under investigation. You need to step aside. You need to resign. You need to resign, Andrew Holness. What are you doing? What kind of example are you setting to the Jamaican people? My wisdom warriors, me say Andrew Holness come on panning TikTok live last night. And when Andrew Holness come on panning TikTok live, the first thing me hear Andrew Holness say, how PNP is saying some nasty things. So me go comment. When me go comment, me say, stop tell lie on PNP. PNP no nasty. We not talk about PNP and say nothing about no nastiness. Yeah? Them comment back and say, me don't know, somebody comment back my wisdom warriors and say, go ahead, too nasty. When me look, they mute me. When me look, they block me. Them block me, my wisdom warriors. Me have the proof. What a lucky thing me did a screen record it. A screen record, me say me go screen record Angie, you know, for see what go on. But for show you how they take things so personal as a prime minister. My wisdom warriors, as a prime minister. Come on. As a prime minister, you take it personal or whosoever depend your page or deal with your page is taking it personal and come on, you're a prime minister. People going to talk. You know some Mark Golding do these things? A lot of time Mark Golding depend in conference and sitting and do him live, my wisdom warriors, and then talk some dirty things, the dirty king labor right them. And Mark Golding never block one of them yet. So what kind of prime minister is this? Eh? How him easily get so angry? We have to be aware of these people, you know. We easily get angry and easily feel hurt. We have to watch them. We have to watch them, my wisdom warriors. You're a prime minister. Box cover. Him now thinks that when he black me now, he hurt. When he black me, me laugh. Me say, what is your God? Me bust out a laugh, my wisdom warriors. Me say, Lord Jesus, my body hurt me 2 sides and 14 corners. I don't know. What really don't know? And them alone for come out and talk in the worst way, my wisdom warriors, and disrespect people. And when people step on them, kind of say they run up and down. Last out and then tell be life on social media. Then tell peer life on social media. Just like what them are do right now, the labor right them are do with Dre Brian. Dre Brian have him in TikTok anniversary. In TikTok 1 year anniversary. Me say them a send round Dre Brian and a guy. Yeah, up and down and have it and I use the voices. I use Mark Golding voice, Dayton Campbell, Isaac voice over it and I make it look like say. You see how Jamaica Labour Party wicked? They might make it look like say a Drabian and the man. Yeah, anniversary. So they might make it look like say they must send happy anniversary to Drabian and the man. When nothing no go say no, it was Drabian TikTok 1 year anniversary. It was Dre Brian TikTok 1 year anniversary. No, sir. But no worry. Andrew Holness, remember say you thief charity money, you know. And that you know what we forget. Remember say you thief charity money. Remember your thief donation, brother, and buy your personal asset and Jamaican people, they hungry like dog. Hello? So you have to come out. So no matter how much obia you want to work, how much money you want to give, how much security forces you want to have out on road, you look a plan you want to have, it not go work because God a go intervene. Because God not like ugly. My wisdom warriors, me want to take in a real leader. Me go make you listen to a real leader, Honorable Mark Jefferson Golden. Take in this.
The government will also make lands available to the National Housing Trust for qualified contributors so they can build their own homes. From day one, we are going to restore the core mandate of the National Housing Trust, which was the baby of Michael Joshua Manley. We will stop the extraction of capital from the National Housing Trust. It was an emergency measure. It was supposed to only last for 4 years, and it has now continued for over 12 years. And we will return to providing affordable houses for people who need to buy or build a home. We plan a comprehensive review of all laws relating to housing to find ways to make housing more affordable for all Jamaicans. These initiatives are all about balancing the books and the people's lives, something that Sister P always spoke about and believed in. The next...
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear our leader, wanna hear our prime minister, yeah, because we have to speak it into being, you know. Yeah, man, we have to speak it into being. A lot of people me here come out and say Mark Golding was at his conference and then really hear nothing what him say. My wisdom warriors, you know why the people they never dare hear nothing what Marky G say? Because they weren't listening with their ears, then did I listen with their damn tongue. That's why. Because this clip when me just play, it was at the conference. And he talk about housing, and me no hear one of them come out and chat about the housing. But yet them attack about Marky G, you know. Him never really say anything and this and that. And it was the same Andrew Holness was say, anyhow them talk PNP, then say nothing and it sound good. Them a go take it. And that them say. Them a go take it and use it. So why Marky G if you come out all the time a tell? It's like them a tell Andrew Holness what to do and Andrew Holness now give them no credit for it. It just don't make no sense. We don't see everything that Mark Golding is doing already. We don't see it, my wisdom warriors. And I'm not gonna hide. We see how this man a fight in and a fight out. I saw him bring them go courthouse. I saw them win. Because a lot of things Andrew Holness, you know, have up him sleeve, you know. And you see Jamaican people, as I said in one of my videos, my wisdom warriors, they're easy for tear. Most of them, easy for tear, man. They easily forget things. Them easily forget things. They don't remember the things them, you know. What did that happen? Why everybody did a ball out, you know. But me want to know in Jamaica that everything what Andrew Holness say he was going to do, and because of Mark Golding, him stop it. I want to know why him stop it too, because the people they were more with Mark Golding. You understand me? But now everybody quiet like a lamb. Everybody quiet. And really and truly, me can't really blame the people them, because Andrew Holness, we know say he have the police forces locked underneath him wing. This is why a lot of people scared to come out. You understand me? But we need to get rid of Andrew Holness by leaving the House of Parliament. He need to lift up out of House of Parliament. This man no have no regards for the Jamaican people. Me telling you all the time. He doesn't care about us. You understand? And we have to get up, stand up for our rights, Jamaica. Tell me what you think. And tell me how you feel about what Mark Golding just mentioned. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, big up on a nice clean self. One love.